Panoorin nyo ito mga Brad, isang Pinoy na parang pinagsamang bilis ni Pacquiao at lakas ni Casimero, kung saan bagsak lahat ang mga tinatamaan.
Wow, just...
Tunay na labanan, balitang boxing, pag-uusapan.
Sa boxing, hindi lahat ng may malakas na kamao ay tinatawag na knockout artist. Dahil ang isang tunay na knockout artist, hindi lamang basta nagpapabagsak ng kalaban, tinatapos niya ang laban bago pa ito makabawi. At ngayon, may isang batang mandirigma mula Cebu na unti-unting kinatatakutan sa super flyweight division. Ang kanyang pangalan, Raymart Assassin Tagacanao. 12 panalo, 10 knockout. Isang record na nagsisilbing babala sa sino mang haharang sa kanyang daraanan. Tinawag siyang assassin dahil mabilis siyang umatake. Matulis ang kanyang mga suntok. At kapag nakita niya ang maliit na puwang sa depensa ng kalaban, wala na itong panahon para makatakas.
Wow, just...
May mga nagsasabing ang kanyang eksplosibong galaw ay kahawig ng batang Manny Pacquiao. Habang ang kanyang tapang at kagustuhang makipagsabayan ay nagpapaalala naman kay John Riel, Cuadro Alas Casimero.
Casimero needs to pick his punches and he can't find the clean shot and he falls down.
Ngunit sa laban na ito, hindi sapat ang bilis, hindi sapat ang lakas, dahil sa kabilang sulok ay naghihintay ang isang mapanganib na mandirigma mula Indonesia. Si Hamson Tyson Lamandao, may 12 panalo at 9 na knockout, isang Universal Boxing Organization champion. At galing sa 2 magkasunod na panalong tinapos sa knockout, hindi siya pumunta sa Pilipinas para lamang makipagsabayan. Dumating siya upang agawin ang titulo at patahimikin ang mga Pinoy boxing fans. Ang nakataya, ang bakanting WBA Asia Super Flyweight Championship na handog ng PMI Boxing Promotions. Sa pagtunog ng unang kampana, walang mahabang pakiramdaman. Agad nagsalpukan ang 2 knockout artist. Bawat suntok ay mabigat, bawat palitan ay mapanganib, at isang maling galaw lamang ang maaaring tumapos sa laban.
Confused the weight of Tagacanao coming in.
I think he made 114.3 also. Because he means
confused the
Canao na medyo going to this, he must settle down and try.
First title bout, of course, for the WBA Asia Super. Sir Eman Asahara, hindi po misgen, we are repeating.
May mali lang po yung screen pero pareho silang na-tip ang scale ng 114.3.
Partner, what makes this fighting is when partners are willing to open up.
0.3.
Partner, what makes this fighting is when partners are willing to open up. Like you can see here, Raymart Tagacanao always brings lamang sila Mandao.
Na naalala natin yung kalaban niya mo po, what a clap.
Certain.
Surely one of the candidates for wow!
The ring.
What a nice exchange for both fight.
Tagacanao, inas lamang sila Mandao.
Na naalala natin yung kalaban niya mo po, what a clap.
Certain.
Surely one of the candidates for fight of the year last year yun.
Raymart Tagacanao, this opponent, Mandao is not an easy opponent.
Hindi, partner, hindi.
Oh, that upper went right. Wow!
Sa ikalawang round, nagsimulang lumabas ang tunay na bangis ng assassin. Mas mabilis ang kanyang mga kamay, mas agresibo ang kanyang pag-atake.
We've seen some of the weapons. We've seen some of the weapons of both of the boxers. Lamandao with that right haymaker, Tagacanao with that right and left uppercut, and also that use of jab by Tagacanao to set up. Jab.
I really is bold as a complete fighter. He is now very patient on targeting his opponent.
You're absolutely
Hindi
right.
kagaya dati, medyo he's more of a para-para type of a boxer. Ngayon, the sweet science of him, napag-aralan na rin ni Tagacanao.
Jab.
Very, very competitive fight. Competitive fight.
That's what makes this fight exciting, partner. Like I said, both boxers are willing to open up. Both of them are willing to engage. So there's not a lot of
Oh,
he said,
nice. Nice overhand by Lamandu.
there you have it. The overhead to set up those body punches, but Tagakanaw, excellent body movement. Upper hook by Lamandao. Tagakanaw covers up, answers with a right uppercut. Center.
At nang bahagyang bumukas ang depensa ng Indonesian, biglang kumawala ang isang napakalinis na uppercut sa pulang panga ni Lamandao nang hina ang kanyang mga tuhod at napaluhod siya sa lona. Naghiyawan ang mga Pinoy sa loob ng arena. Akala ng marami, tapos na ang laban. Ngunit bago matapos ang bilang, nakatayo ang matigas na Indonesian. Sugatan, ngunit handa pa ring lumaban.
Afraid to exchange partner. But Tagakanaw keeps on pumping on that same side, no? Unleashing that uppercut. Lamandao, not afraid to counter. Head, and then over. Another body shot.
Back home in Indonesia.
We've seen some of the weapons of both of the boxers. Lamandao with that right
There.
Oh, nice apple by Lamandu.
Definitely. But Tagakanaw keeps on pumping on that same side, no? Unleashing that uppercut. Lamandao, not afraid to counter. Head, and then over. Another
Sa ikatlong round, naging digmaan ang bakbakan. Wala nang atrasan, wala nang mahabang kalkulasyon. Parehong nagpapakawala ng mabibigat na kombinasyon ang dalawang mandirigma. Ngunit sa kabila ng matitinding tama, ayaw bumagsak ni Lamandao.
Hello kay Boxing Gloves official. Thank you for watching us. Again, that haymaker of Lamandao keeps him susceptible, no, to counters.
Nice overhand by Tagakanaw.
Yes, but blocked partially by Lamandao and is able to counter to the body of Tagakanaw.
Nice! Counter!
So again,
Again, that body attack by Tagakanaw.
Separate the body shots. Tagakanaw sing body with body shots.
What a fight, partner. And we are just starting in it.
Certainly, no? Again, don't be confused. Raymar Tagakanaw is wearing the red and blue trunks. Hansel Lamandao is wearing the black trunks, no? This is Indonesia versus the Philippines.
Indonesia and Philippines have some good matchup also in boxing. And I think this fight could belong in that category.
Certainly, no?
Oh, nice. Left to the body by Tagakanaw.
Our referee signaling to keep it a little higher for Tagakanaw. So wow, just beautiful setup for Tagakanaw. You see him going up
To the body
to
by
open
Tagakanaw.
up Lamandao for that body shot.
Wild for Raymart on that instant. Wild for Raymart on that instant.
Good counter. Raymart always watches out for that jab, to do that counter.
But the overhand did sink in for Lamandao on that instant.
There you have it. Quick counter by Tagakanaw.
Just how tough is Lamandao, partner?
Oh, certainly.
Yeah.
And always unleashing punches and combinations by Lamandao. Keeping those hands active.
warrior from Palangkaraya, Indonesia. So if we have viewers from Palangkaraya,
Stamina from this warrior.
I'm very prepared for Raymart Tagakanaw.
Certainly amazing stamina from this warrior from Palangkaraya, Indonesia. So if we have viewers from Palangkaraya, shout out to all of you guys. And, oh, another ripping hook to the body by Tagakanaw and then hook up top.
What a 1-2 combination and going out for Lamandao.
Sa ika-4 na round, ipinakita ng Indonesian na hindi siya basta-bastang kalaban. Nakabawi siya at tinamaan din si Tagakanaw ng ilang malalakas na suntok. Pero hindi nataranta ang Pinoy. Nanatiling kalmado ang assassin, parang isang tunay na mangangaso. Tahimik siyang naghintay ng panibagong pagkakataon.
That's in the opening.
Oh, nice left by
Seconds.
Tagakanaw.
A counter to the body by Tagakanaw. Lamandao just constantly jabbing. Upper hook by Lamandao.
I love the exchanges of both fighter, Payo. Do you?
Of course, I mean, they're not letting the
Yeah.
other finish. You
Yeah.
can see they counter mid combination. Alam mo, ito yung gusto ng mga Pinoy. This is what the Filipino fans want. That vulnerability of opening up during exchanges.
And kudos also to the matchmaker of this fight. And this event talagang magaganda. And
A former champion facing an up-and-coming young gun.
yeah.
Judicious jabbing by Lamandao. You can see he's trying to open up Tagacano, and he opens up with that jab.
That left jab of Tagacano is guns on blazing right now.
You are absolutely
That's a
right.
good 1-2 combination.
Absolutely right.
That's a good 1-2 combination by the Indonesian.
Certainly that landed on the chin of Tagacano.
The Indonesian are showing some good footwork on round number 4.
Certainly very active at the backfoot partner, and he's able to unleash some pretty good combinations while backing away, no? But the backfoot partner, and he's able to unleash some pretty good combinations while backing away, no?
And it's also a very difficult thing on trying to execute your punches going backwards, partner.
Certainly.
Oh, nice
certainly.
overhand by Lamandao.
And I
Oh,
like,
nice 1-2 again by
oh,
Lamandao.
beautiful, beautiful uppercut. I like how Lamandao also, pansin mo when he gives that combination, always against or out of the center line. But excellent range boxing by Tagacano. There you have it, that the right
Sa ikalimang round, muling pinakawalan ni Tagacano ang kanyang mabibilis na kombinasyon. Isa-isang tumama ang kanyang mga suntok. Ngunit kahit nasasaktan na, patuloy pa ring lumalaban si Lamandao.
like Raymark Tagacano sometimes parries that jab. Lamandao sometimes sits on that punch with that high guard.
And
So-
I think the one big factor is the jab of Tagacano. It's a constant target. Well, I'm speaking about the left jab of Tagacano.
Oh, that beautiful long-range uppercut by Tagacano. That triple jab by Lamandao.
Again, the jab of Tagacano is making damages for Hamandao. Hamson.
Good body movement by Lamandao to avoid that. Parang natuto na rin siya because the jab keeps on landing. So he's like
Punch with that high guard.
And
So-
I think the one big
Lamandao.
again, the jab of Tagacano is making damages for Hamandao. Hamson Lamandao.
But good body movement by Lamandao to avoid that. Parang natuto na rin siya because the jab keeps on landing. So he's like, there you have it. Aside from it landing, it also sets, parang it stops the momentum ni Lamandao when he's about to unleash a combination.
Tsaka partner, kailangan gumalaw-galaw siya kasi kung hindi siya gumalaw, it will be a target for Tagacano. I'm speaking about the left.
Set some traps or some triggers. Kasi if you do that, if you're stepping on the gas pedal each and every round, it's gonna gas you out. I mean, we're just human, partner, no? There's just limit to our gas tank. So it's really wise for them to vary the tempo. Oh,
Number 5.
Yeah, this is a 10-round affair, so it's actually wise to not give it your all in all of the rounds. There are some rounds na aralin mo yung opponent, you study your opponent, you set some traps or some triggers. Kasi if you do that, if you're stepping
it's really wise for them to vary the tempo. Oh, beautiful exchange, partner. The upper hook
to the
from
body.
both boxers.
The left cross did hit for Lamandao. Again, the third man in the ring is Noel Haduka. Mahirap rin maging referee partner, no?
Of course, huge right hand for
You must have that
Tagacano.
eagle eye on you to be the third man in the ring.
Certainly.
Pagsapit ng ika-6 na round, pareho ng ramdamang pagod. Mabibigat na ang mga paa. Mabagal na ang paghinga, pero walang gustong umatras.
Down from the challenge against Raymar Tagacanaw.
Alam mo, nakakatawa kasi Indonesians and Filipinos are very friendly. We always love to smile kasi you've been in Indonesia, I've been
Yeah.
in Indonesia. Very friendly people, but inside the ring, they have this tenacity, partner. This
Warrior instinct.
Warrior instinct.
Yeah.
Tama ka dyan.
We go to the start of round number 7.
Very friendly. We always love to smile kasi you've been in Indonesia, I've been
Yeah.
in Indonesia. Very friendly people, but inside the ring, they have this tenacity, partner. This
Warrior instinct.
Warrior instinct.
Yeah.
Tama ka dyan.
We go to the start of round number 7.
Lamandu right when he's charging in, no? Oh, body shot by Tagacanaw. Lamandu answers with hip
nice one
jab
too.
and straight.
The jab is picking up right now for the Indonesian partner. He's Tagacanaw did the exchange.
And I like how
The Indonesian Lamandu keeps it on the center of the ring. He circles out to the left to keep it at the center. He doesn't want to be cornered by Raymar Tagacanaw. Tagacanaw, that stiff jab, beautiful.
Standpoint kanina, he's now trying to make Lamandu commit mistake.
certainly he's inching forward. Overhand by Tagacanaw that landed.
Hanggang sa huling minuto ng round, nakita ni Tagacanaw ang pagkakataong matagal niyang hinihintay. Inipon niya ang natitirang lakas at pinakawala ng isang napakabigat na kanang kamao. Diretsyong tumama, bumagsak ng matindi ang Indonesian sa lona. Sa pagkakataong ito, hindi na siya hinayaang magpatuloy ng referee. Itinigil ang laban, technical knockout sa ika-6 na round. Panalo si Tagacanaw at matagumpay niyang nasungkit ang WBA Asia Super Flyweight Championship. Kaya ang tanong, mga idol, may kakayahan ba si Raymar Tagacanaw na maging susunod na Pinoy World Champion? Ilagay ang inyong opinyon sa baba. Banggitin na rin ang inyong lugar para malaman natin kung hanggang saan umaabot ang suporta ng mga Pilipino para kay Raymar Assassin Tagacanaw.
Lagi niyong sundan, huwag magpapahuli. Pag-usapan ni bakbakan, balita niya at laban. Mga Pinoy na di nagpapagapi. Salamat sa mga suporta na lagi nandyan.